operational service. And of course, the pilot famously sitting in a raked back seat with a side stick controller.
Yeah, the first aircraft to regularly be able to pull plus 9G immediately after takeoff. The pilot does require a lot of protection from both the G suit and the 45-degree rake.
Mainland European NATO air forces who ordered F-16s en masse, and in 1970 Belgium was one, the others Denmark, whose aircraft we're unfortunately not seeing in the show today because of unserviceability, the Netherlands and Norway. Of those, Norway has already retired the F-16 in favour of the F-35. The Netherlands is in the process of doing so. We've got two of their F-35As on show for the first time here at the Air Tattoo. Denmark is getting the F-35, and so is Belgium.
Due to the weather. Risk of just repositioning his aircraft to join the visual circuits.